Hey guys, welcome to the UE5 Made Easy beginner course. In this course, I'm going to take you, an absolute beginner who has absolutely no knowledge of Unreal Engine 5, in about 8 to 10 hours and 20 episodes, you're going to build an entire game. And it's going to be easy, it's going to be beginner friendly, down to what we're doing here. We're just, learning the engine, learn how to move things around, how to add what we call materials onto another thing that you're going to learn about, static meshes, which is how you build things. We're going to create this that you're looking at right here. We're going to create this like day 2 or 3, and we're going to build you an entire world. And this is the type of things that it may not sound like much, but when you first get started with no direction, this stuff is like just huge for you. I remember I didn't place my first tree when I started Unreal till I was doing it for like 6 weeks. I couldn't figure out how to even put this grass color down here on the map for a week. So after looking around and being a part of Unreal now for a few years, after looking around, there's really not a whole lot of absolutely, raw beginner stuff out there. And that's why I wanted to create this. For folks like you that was like me, that, wanted to do this, wanted to come in here and figure out how to build a game, and didn't know where to start, and opened the engine and was overwhelmed. I mean, we're going to go as far as creating a whole world in this. We're going to also, I'm going to show you how to place, foliage like trees and grass and all that manually. And I'm also going to show you how to do it what we call procedurally, where we spawn it out of nowhere. I mean, we're gonna learn about animations and putting them on characters, and so they can do like what you're seeing here, little attack combos. We're gonna put that in there. We're gonna be able to do damage. We're gonna add weapons. I mean, there's a lot we're gonna do, down to the point to where we're actually going to have a quest at the end of this thing that you can do and actually, progress in the game. And this is going to be really fun, and it's not really going to take a long time to do. And a lot of the videos that you're going to watch in this series are going to be extremely slowed down. Some of these videos are longer. I think our longest one's this health system that you see right here. That's like a 45-minute long video, but I really slow it down for you in this so you can grasp it and you don't have to pause every 2 seconds. So you can actually grasp, and not only, just copy paste like a lot of people do with tutorials, but that you can actually understand why we're doing it and why it works the way we're doing it. And, anybody can sit around and they can learn, but, when you're having fun while you're learning and it doesn't feel like it's, a class or a course, it feels like, hey, I'm building a game, this is fun. That's the point of this here. And, later on, after we get a few of the things built, we're going to do what you see here, and that's you're going to learn about sword traces and being able to damage, the enemy with the sword. And then after we do that, we're going to put it where he can damage you, so you can actually have a little bit of combat. And we're going to create you an enemy too, so you'll actually have somebody to fight. And this is kind of like an RPG style, I guess. Quick little game. And after we get the main mechanics in, what you see here, we're going to add some actual characters. So you'll have your character here with a little bit of launch back, so when you hit them and they hit you, you actually move around, and which is really cool. And also we're going to have it to where when we die, we actually respawn like in a real game. Because if you just leave it the way it is in Unreal, then you're just going to be stuck there and can't do anything. So I promise you, here through these 20 episodes, if you follow through this all the way to the end, you will build your entire first game within 8 to 10 hours following this program. And down to this quest right here, we run into what we call a trigger box. It gives us that destroy the enemy, and then all we got to do is go over here and destroy this enemy, kill him. And once we kill him, it's going to print a message there, the end. You win the game, you beat the game, and it's over. And you can go back to the main menu or whatever and start and play over again. Or you can, everything in this is completely modular. So you can, make 100 of those quests and just build off of what we've built here. This is just mainly for you to learn this engine the fun way, not the drag this here, drag that there way the whole entire time. So you can actually understand what you're doing so you can replicate it when it's done. We're also going to put in a save and load system into this game, so you can save your progress, so you'll know how to do that when you start building on past this. And like I said, here's your main menu where you can start the game. And then we'll also have a pause menu as well, to where, you know, you can kind of resume or keep going. But yeah, guys, thanks for liking this video. Thanks for subscribing. Go hit episode 1. Let's get this thing going, and let's build a game together, guys. We'll see you.